Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Begin the installation by locating and removing the mounting screws on the lower cover of the steering column. Next, remove the tilt lever from unit. After taking the lower cover off of the steering column, find and remove the retaining screw to release the upper cover. Finally, hold the ignition in the start position and place a small screwdriver or pick into the release hole and pull the lock from the column. To install the new cylinder, push it into the port until it clicks.